guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. We are so happy you found us. Today we are doing something a little different just because I have been so busy in my craft room trying to get everything just in the right place. I'm going to do a new craft room tour for you probably next week. I thought I'd bring you along on Sunday while I put my desk together. I've actually put 3 bookshelves together by myself. Super proud of myself, but it has been hard. But I thought I'd share with you guys. And like I said, we're going to put my new desk together. My old desk did not make the move. It was super rickety after I got it back together. And just thought it would be safer to get something new. But when I did that, I also realized I needed some more bookshelves. So you'll see the whole new setup, but maybe you'll see the desk and then the whole new setup, something like that. But tonight, we're in my closet with the bad lighting. But I'm going to flip you around. Please excuse my unmade beds, but I was going to show you new lighting in the bedroom, which is also the same light I have in the craft room now. And you'll be so surprised at how amazing. Look at how gorgeous and bright it is, right? Isn't that amazing? So, super excited, but this yellow light in the closet, but we're going to live with it. So, one thing I've noticed since I've had CRPS, I've had CRPS now 9 years. And one thing that helps me with CRPS is organization, which is really crazy because I'm an artist and I'm a creative and I'm not organized. I mean, I have my own sense of organization, which is chaos to most people, which I'm sure you all understand. But here lately, I've been watching The Home Edit with Joanna and Clea. Not that I'm a particular fan of them, but I like the organization. It's really hitting with my CRPS. So today, I thought we would do clothes because that just is fun and it's going to look cool like a rainbow. And I thought maybe we could do it together. And maybe it would inspire you. Maybe not. That's fine. I've already started. I got a gray shirt here and then some whites. And then I thought I would do yellows and then a peachy, pinky. I don't have any orange, but I have red. And then I'm going to go through and I have a bunch of pinks and reds. So I'm going to pull all those and kind of put them where they go in their colors. And most of my pinks, like this is a hot pink and this is a light pink. You can see the difference. So I'll put that one there. And like I said, I just thought this would be fun to try. Oh, you know what? This shirt's kind of an orangey, so I will put it before the pinks. I thought it would just be fun, something to do. Oh, and this is a very light pink with blue trim, but I'm going to do it under pink since that's the main color. And then this is another hot pink. I have a lot of pinks. A lot of pinks, some reds. Lots of pinks. This is another pink. It's pink and white, but I'm going to do it with the sleeves. But I've been finding, what I was saying is I've been finding that this organizing has really been helping me, like, accomplish stuff and just stay on task. Especially because I've been unpacking, and the movers, oh my gosh, y'all. The movers actually just dumped my stuff loose in boxes. And you know, as a paper crafter, how much paper we have. It's been unreal trying to just dig through all the boxes to the bottom. And I mean, these boxes are as tall as me, or taller. They're at least 5 foot, over 5 foot. And they just dump my stuff, so I'm having to like go through and get all my stuff out, and it is just terrible. Okay, so I've done the gray, the white, the yellow, the peachy, the pinks, and the reds here at the end. Now what comes after red? So it's yellow, orange, red, blue. Blue, blue, blue. So we'll go with the light blue first. Oh, this is a light blue. Believe it or not, it looks almost white, but it's a very light blue, and I know it's the lightest blue I own. And then, let's see, we'll do this blue, this is blue. Now we just gotta go by shade here, and I think, yeah, the Columbia, and then, don't y'all just love this shirt? I love this shirt. It says, it says, "You can't wait until life isn't hard anymore before you decide to be happy." And it was by Nightbird. She was a singer on America's Got Talent, I believe. I don't know. I didn't watch the show, but I saw her audition tape, and she had cancer, and she said that on the show. It was very inspiring. Okay, here's another blue shirt. So I think it actually goes between those two. And then this is dark blue. So I'm going to put it, yeah, there. And then this one has blue sleeves. So like the pink, I'm going to do this one under blue. Now, seafoam green would be before green, but I don't have any green. But I have a lot of seafoam green, but this one's blue. This will also help me because since the neuropathy of my eyes, the colors have been a little strange. Oh, I do have one green. So let's do, I guess we'll do the seafoams first because that's like between the blue and the greens. I don't know. I think. This one actually might be green, but let me pull them all out and we can kind of decide here. This is the lightest one, I know, because this is, oh, no. That actually may be, that's blue. See, it's hard to tell, too, with this light in here. I hate these yellow lights. I'm going to have to try to change it and put a, a daylight light, which is what we have in the bedroom and in the craft room now, and it's so much better. So much better. Okay. So this one says Dog Mom on the inside, so I know it's, oh, and look, here's some whites, so we'll put these up at the front here. This is so fun. Are you guys organized? Leave me a comment down below if you're like a super organizer, if you have your own system, if you've tried the home edit way of organizing. If you watch the show, let me know. Okay, so seafoam green, I think we'll start with that one, and then that one, and then that one, and then this one, because this is actually green. Let's see here. And then after green, we'll do purples. I have a lot of purples, believe it or not. So we're going to do this purple. Oh, this is green. This is actually a dark greeny gray. Okay, then purples. My purples, believe it or not, are all about the same. But look, I have some shirts I missed. That's pink. So this one goes up here. Kind of, we'll put it ahead of that one. And then this one's kind of peachy, so we'll put it by this long sleeve peachy. And then this one is fun. Where do you put tie-dye, guys? Home edit, help. Where does tie-dye go? I'm going to say with pink because it's majority pink. Let's see. We'll put it there. If not, it's in the wrong place. Somebody tell me, what do you do with tie-dye, please? And guess what? Another pink shirt. So we'll put this one here. Okay, now back to purples. And like I said, most of my purples are all the same. But that's okay, because we love a good purple. I think this is the darkest one. Oh, and my hangers are purple. I know they're not the felt hangers, but I don't know if you can see. They were fun, so I got purple. Okay, let me see. Oh, my long hang dresses are in the front, but my long hang little, oh, what do you call them? Well, they're not there. Where are they? That's odd. I had some, oh, they're right here. They're in the front too. All my long hangs are in the front. And I might do my shoes next. I don't know. We'll see how this works out. And then after purple, I have grays because I actually own quite a few gray shirts. Which is kind of strange, but because I'm a very cheery person, you know, and I like a lot of color. These are actually all blue. And then the light grays we'll put, well, I have the light grays in the front with the white, but they probably should go back in front of the grays, right? Huh. Okay, let's do this. We'll put the grays up here. That one I have up front, I'm gonna leave though, because it's like really, really like almost white. These go there. Light gray here. Maybe these are more blue. The more I look at them, these all look blue instead of gray. I don't know. Guys, my eyes, sometimes shades are just so difficult. Hopefully this is close enough. Oh, and this one is definitely green. I do own a few green shirts. Okay, so there's all my color-coded clothes. Isn't that fun? Oh, and look how cool that looks. Let's come in for a cool look. Can you see how cool that looks? All right, now, okay. Now that you see the shirts, I have some light jackets here. I have more jackets in the coat closet, but they wouldn't all fit. So I'm going to start with the lights, which are the whites. And then I'm going to leave my long hang pink robe at the back. And then we'll go into the red. Isn't this cute? These were in a haul I did, and the jackets were also cute. I kept them. Got rid of the clothes, but kept them. Because face it, sometimes the clothes we get from thredUP are crappy. These jackets were really cool. And of course, I made this jacket myself as kind of like a take on some of the graffiti jackets that you pay a fortune for. I did this one myself, and I think it came out kind of amazing. And then I bought this one off of thredUP, and I thought it was super cool. Just a white jacket with some black embroidery. Okay, so now the jackets are done. So my closet is done. That's kind of exciting. Okay, so that is putting my closet in the rainbow, like, home edit organization way. We'll see how long it stays this way. I'll let you know. If it stays for about a week, I might try to do my shoes. I have, like, every color of shoe. But, guys, I need to know, what do you do with rainbow? I mean, rainbow. What do you do with tie-dye and rainbow? I have tie-dye and rainbow. I have shoes. Help! What do I do? Pick the most dominant color or just choose a color? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this kind of chatty video and getting organized with me. Like I said, let me know down below in the comments if you are an organized person, and what type of organization do you use. Is it just in your office, your craft room? Is it in your closet, your kitchen? Where? I'll talk to you soon, and stay tuned for putting my desk together. I'll give you a sneak peek of the new desk, and then next week we'll definitely do a walk around of the new crafting space. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.